Hey everybody, quick little video here today to kind of go over the three cabinet models that we offer for your van build. We're really the only ones that offer for the Sprinter stock headliner, a cabinet that's contoured to that radius for the stock Sprinter headliner. If you have a factory headliner in your van that runs front to rear, this is the cabinet for you. It comes complete with mounting hardware that makes up the spacing at the headliner and wall. You get a few of those. You get some roof beam covers. All this hardware goes in behind the headliner, between the headliner and the stock sheet metal of the van. And our end caps contour perfectly to that contour of the factory headliner. These are super popular, so you don't got to remove the headliner and install a cabinet. This is another Sprinter cabinet we manufacture. It is more for the cargo van or for your builder option or DIY option. Flat type headliner panel up to the wall apex that fits nice and clean. This also fits a lot of the aftermarket wall panel kits. And so the Transit one, the same thing. It's for a flat headliner, wall apex, where you're going to have a builder do your build or you're going to do your own headliner. And what I want to forget to mention that all of these cabinets come pre-cut with holes in them. And you can order extra tabs if you have an aftermarket L-track kit or ceiling brace kit. These can be used to mount to the L-track. And again, every cabinet is already pre-cut and can be ordered with these tabs. All three cabinet models can be ordered in a 28-inch single door or a 52-inch long double door cabinet. And you can get those on our website. Just click the link in our bio and they'll take you there.